Menteri Beripe Yakatrak Kampo yang ke Sarkar India Amit Shah Unwan Senong ba Shillong Hakatio ba Jong Brai Naitung Mentau Snam. Habakran Hiklat Patai Kabor hadian ka review meeting ba Elhek Menteri Katran Kakoi Kakia ka Sarkar Jela Ong ba Amit Shah Unwan Senong ba Shillong tang ba ompat pankre pat yakimat bandikran batu.
Small announcement, since CM already announced to our Honorable Minister that Amit Shah is coming to Shillong on the second week of July. So this is information was given by the Honorable Chief Minister. That we have not formulated any issue or agenda to discuss this, but only today we have got the information. This is information I was giving to you, but definitely we will discuss, some agenda will be there to discuss about the visit of our Honorable Amit Shah ji, the Union Minister for Home. We have not indicated anything, but definitely we are going to inform the government.
What is this program?
That's why I'm saying you that it will be informed to the government. I have not asked for how many days will be here, but it's coming likely on the second week of July.